The recent Super Bowl blizzard that brought 16 inches of snow to Naperville had the city shoveling out some money. 30 hours of continual snowfall required the use of 45 equipment operators, 15 city temporary drivers, and 60 contracted units, all of which added up to a big bill for the city.
It cost the city $535,000. Obviously, when you have about 31 hours of snow falling, and then it starts on a weekend, so you have overtime and just equipment costs and salt costs. So, it cost $535,000 for us to do the cleanup.
The biggest chunk of that, $220,000, went to outside contract workers who were hired from other cities to help out during the big storm. Despite record-breaking snowfall amounts, the recent blizzard cleanup costs came nowhere close to breaking the bank. $3.1 million is budgeted for snow operations for this year's winter season. And there's no worry about a salt shortage like we had last year. The city still has 12,000 tons on hand for this season's needs.